Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here again in East Summit. We have finished getting all of the existing wall braces, the I-beams, taken out. We have our 6x6s here, and here very shortly we are going to get our angle iron temporarily bolted to the floor. Our 6x6s are going to be angled off of that angle iron on the floor. We have some smaller angle iron we're going to temporarily bolt to the wall. 6x6 will have the each one will have a 30-ton hydraulic bottle jack on the end, which is going to be against the smaller angle iron on the wall. And then once we have that in place, we're going to do the front side first. So once we have that in place in this section of the basement and inside this section of the basement, we will start just hand cranking the 30-ton bottle jacks and start getting this wall pushed back to its correct level elevation. So we're also going to, of course, set up some verticals. First, horizontal directly underneath the floor joist to slightly raise the floor joist off the top of the wall, so it'll make it a lot easier to straighten it. But once that is in place, we're also going to be collecting our 14 steel H-beams later today, and we'll start getting those in place. So once this wall on the front of the house is vertical, we'll start with the wall braces. Once the wall braces are in, we will move the 6x6s and the angle iron back to this side, the back wall of the house. And really, this is probably the worst one, just looking at the damage, the cracking. So it's really hard to see it in the video, but in person you can see the lean. But once we have the wall braces in place on the front wall and we have that wall secured and vertical, we'll move the 6x6's angle iron bottle jacks over to this side and do the exact same thing. Start pushing this wall back to vertical, get the wall braces in place, and these foundation walls will not lean again. Again, you can see our process. We've excavated small holes right here. We've exposed the footing. The bottom end of our wall brace is going to be set right on top of that footing. It's going to be mortared in with some high-strength concrete mortar. The upper ends are going to be tied into the floor joists here. We're going to, if you've seen any of our videos, really over the past couple months, we have a lot of videos showing the detail that we go to on installing wall braces, so you can see exactly how we overkill tying them into the floor joist. We bolt everything from the side, bring in some new 6x6s to fit perfectly between the floor joists, so we don't just do, a little, I can show you real quick. We do not do this when we install a wall brace. You will never see us bolt on the narrow end, the bottom of a floor joist, because that's going to split that wood. So we do ours engineering sound, so stay tuned for more updates. We'll have a lot more to show here in a couple days. So again, you can find those on YouTube and Facebook, King Piers LLC. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.